أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
ومنهم من يستمعون إليك أفأنت تسمع الصم ولو كانوا لا يعقلون.
And among them are those who listen to you, but can you make the deaf hear, even though they do not understand?
ومنهم من ينظر إليك أفأنت تهدي العمي ولو كانوا لا يبصرون.
And among them are those who look at you, but can you guide the blind, even though they do not see?
إن الله لا يظلم الناس شيئا ولكن الناس أنفسهم يظلمون.
Allah does not wrong the people in the least, but the people wrong their own selves.
ويوم يحشرهم كأن لم يلبثوا إلا ساعة من النهار يتعارفون بينهم قد خسر الذين كذبوا بلقاء الله وما كانوا مهتدين.
On the day when he rounds them up, as if they had tarried only 1 hour of a day, they will recognize one another. Those who denied the meeting with Allah will be the losers. They were not guided.
وَإِمَّا نُرِيَنَّكَ بَعْضَ الَّذِي نَعِدُهُمْ أَوْ نَتَوَفَّيَنَّكَ فإلينا مرجعهم ثم الله شهيد على ما يفعلون.
Whether we show you some of what we promise them, or take you, to us is their return. Allah is witness to everything they do.